bring that panel up next. Watch the railing on the left. Almost there, hold it steady.